How to change Facebook page name. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can change Facebook page name. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch Facebook application in your mobile device. Now switch to your Facebook page. For that, tap on your profile icon at the top left, and from here you have to switch to your Facebook page. So once you're on your page, again navigate to top right and tap on your page profile with the 3-line icon. Again, head towards the top right and tap on the settings icon. Under settings and privacy, scroll down a bit and under audience and visibility, there you will have an option as page setup. Tap on it. Now here, tap on name. Now from this page, you can change your name. But here you have to remember that if you have already changed your name, then you cannot change it again for 60 days. So you have to wait until 60 days in order to change your name again. But if you have not changed your name recently, then you can change your name. You can clear the name here and then tap on review change. After that, your Facebook page name will be changed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.